Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Stay and welcome to Coloring Bliss, and it's still Mandala May and it's time to add color to this. The giant mandala that you have seen me draw here on the YouTube channel. If you missed that video, there is a link in the video description where you can watch me draw this giant mandala. Now, if you're also interested in coloring this giant mandala, you can color it. Steve has made you a more manageable version that you can download and color. There's a link to this free mandala, so come and get it and download it and color it. Rose is really excited for me to color this mandala. Today I'm going to be coloring it with some beautiful watercolor paints. Do you want to see them? They're so pretty. Let me show everybody. Okay, these are by Master's Touch. I picked them up at Hobby Lobby. They are only $19.99, but I used my coupon, so that brought the price down. And they are some gorgeous metallic paints. Look at them. I cannot wait to fill this mandala with gorgeous metallic colors. Let me show you what the swatches look like. Look, Rose. Look at those swatches. Aren't they pretty? So shiny and so pretty. I'm really looking forward to doing this mandala. And if you want to see a real-time, slowed-down version of me coloring this mandala, come on over to Coloring Bliss. There's a link in the video description, and you can become a Bliss apprentice and watch the full version of me coloring this page along with several other coloring pages where I show you all my thought process, how I pick the colors, how I do entire coloring pages. It's lots of fun. But for now, you're going to see the sped up, beautiful version of all the colors flowing into this beautiful mandala. So I think I'm going to put Rose down because I need room to spread out and work. So little one, do you want to get down so I can work on this? Thanks for joining me and enjoy watching the beautiful colors fill up this mandala. We'll see you soon. All right, guess what? It's done. My giant mandala is all colored and I think it turned out beautiful. I want to give you a view of it. I'm not going to hang it on the wall yet though, because I'm still going to spray it with a UV resistant clear coat. Have to do that outside because this stuff is stinky. I'll put a link to this clear coat in the video below, so just check that out. And let me hold it up and you can see how gorgeous it turned out. Look how beautiful it is. I'm going to move it and you can see. Look at all that metallic shine. It's so pretty. It took me 2 days of work to get it done. That's why I'm wearing something different, but it was worth all the work. I may touch up some of the line work. That's another decision I'm going to have to make another day because I need a break after all that painting. I hope you enjoyed watching me paint it, and I hope it inspires you to do something creative too. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit a thumbs up and subscribe because this will be on my back wall the next time you come and join me for a video. So I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, colorful day. Bye-bye, everybody.